here at Mindvalley University in Tallinn, Estonia, and it has been better than I could have imagined.
I really hate Mindvalley University. I'm having such a terrible time here.
Just something that you have to come experience.
There's too many gorgeous people walking around. It's too distracting when I'm trying to focus on my personal growth.
Such a blessing.
Such a nightmare.
Vision has been speaking. Paul McKenna teaching. We've got Blossom. Christina is here with her book that people are getting.
You're always feeling FOMO because there's so many workshops happening at the same time.
There's kids running around everywhere, which is such a beautiful experience. They're learning, they're taking field trips, they're getting immersed in it. Families. There's nothing like this energy here.
There's people always asking you for lunches and wanting to know your life story. Oh you have to carry so many costumes because there are so many wild parties.
Let me see you move like that. Like what? Like that. Let me see you move like that. Like what? Just like that.
And that is what Mindvalley is all about. It is about leveling up. It's about elevating. It's about healing. It's about growing. It's about connection. It's family. It's love. It's all of it.
Such a nightmare. It's only week 1.
I want to tell you more, but there's so much. Linda Clement's about to come on. I don't want to miss her. And I hope you guys are going to be here at the next one. I can't wait to see you. Mwah.